for you to start working, okay? Now we have to put these spoons away. Come on. Let's put these in. Put it in. First start eating. Eat this, yeah. Don't look at the light, yeah. That's good. Good. We have to finish all these. Now looking at the light. No looking at the light. It's okay. Don't get scared. Very good. Good job. Yeah, sure. That's fine. Very nice. All done with the last. Close this. Close it. Yeah. Let's do these here. Very nice. Good job. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Right here. Yeah. 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 Let me help. Good job. Now these small ones. Yeah.
Good job.
Very good. Let's finish that. Good boy. There are lots of these, right? Keep going. You're almost done. Very good. You got two now. Good job. Let's get some more. Very good. All done.